Hi, John Morgan here, and welcome to this week's episode of the Keep Growing podcast. Each week we take a look at the forecast and gardening tasks for the week ahead for the Mid-Ohio Valley. This week we're covering week 28 of 2024, Saturday, July 6th to Saturday, July 13th. And well, I record this the night before it goes out. And right now there are folks setting off fireworks, and I'm sitting outside so we get kind of the nice outdoor ambiance, I guess. But if you hear some explosions in the background, hey, happy 4th of July. Well, this week we're heading back into the oven with no rain and temperatures in the 90s. And it's going to be like that most of the week. However, a bit later in the week, we'll see scattered showers and storms returning. Today is a great day to order garlic cloves for fall planting. Last week on the podcast, we covered why you want to plant garlic in the fall. Monday, July 8th, is the time to go scouting for Japanese beetles. Japanese beetles will primarily feed on the upper leaves of plants, so check the tops of trees for their presence, and look for the cutout leaf appearance. It'll look almost like something kind of chewed off the edge of the leaf. If you catch them early enough, an application of neem oil works great. However, it'll take a couple of follow-up applications to make sure that you take care of them. On Tuesday, July 9th, plant Napa cabbage. Also remove raspberry canes after fruiting. A bit of summer pruning goes a long way to keep your raspberries healthy and productive. Once the bush is fruited, all the canes can be cut back to ground level, so that way they're ready to regrow in the spring. Wednesday, July 10th, harvest new potatoes and seed borage. Thursday, July 11th, pinch the tops of black raspberry canes. Unlike summer fruiting varieties of raspberries, you just want to pinch the tops of black raspberries. On Friday, July 12th, it is an excellent time to deadhead flowers. And finally, Saturday, July 13th, is the first quarter moon. It's also a great time to seed dill, and also keep your compost pile healthy by giving it a turn. To care for compost in the summer, keep it moist like a sponge by regularly watering and using a cover to retain moisture. Turn the pile every 1 to 2 weeks to introduce oxygen and regulate temperature, and place it in a shaded area to prevent overheating. Balance greens, nitrogen-rich materials like kitchen scraps, with browns, carbon-rich materials like dry leaves. Bury food scraps under brown layers to deter pests. Head out to the garden, turn your compost, and of course, keep growing. For a full transcript and show notes, check out bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing.